In JMeter, one important way to make sure that load tests are accurate and reliable is to check the reports. Reports can help you find performance bottlenecks, verify test results, and make decisions based on data to improve your application's performance. Here are the steps you can take to check reports in JMeter. Run your test plan. You need to run your test plan in JMeter before you can check the reports. This will give you the raw data you need to make reports. Set up the listener. JMeter comes with several listeners that you can use to make reports. To set up a listener, you need to choose it in the test plan and set any necessary parameters, such as the output file format and the data to include in the report. Generate the report. Once you have set up the listener, you can run the test plan again to generate the report. During the test, the listener will gather data and make a report based on the settings. Check the report. Once the report is made, you can compare it to the raw data from the test to see if it is correct. You should look for any differences or discrepancies between the report and the raw data and change the listener parameters as needed. What the report means. Lastly, you should figure out how to read the report to figure out if your application has any performance problems or bottlenecks. You may need to change the test plan or the way the application is set up to improve performance. Once you have done that, run the test again and make a new report to see if the performance has improved. In short, to verify reports in JMeter, you need to run your test plan, set up a listener, generate the report, check the report's accuracy, and look at the results to find performance problems. By following these steps, you can make sure that your load tests are accurate and reliable, and you can use the information in the reports to make decisions about how to improve the performance of your application that are based on data.